Let's make some coconut loaf tea cake in the air fryer. Taken 110 grams of butter here. I'm gonna melt it slightly. Add 110 grams of sugar, brown or white, whatever you have. Mix this. Add 2 eggs. Mix it. Teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix it. 110 grams of plain all-purpose flour. A teaspoon of baking powder. 4 tablespoons of desiccated coconut. Mix everything. 2 tablespoons of milk. Mix it. Take a cake loaf tin that fits in your air fryer basket. Grease it. I'm gonna line it as well. Pour the cake mix in the tin. Spread it. Put this in your air fryer basket. This is gonna go in the air fryer at 150 degrees Celsius for about 25 to 30 minutes. It's been 30 minutes and the cake is perfectly done.